These go in the glove box. Let's get a look at that. For the dashboard, I'm going to do the passenger side first. It's pretty dirty in the rear. I'm going to remove the door to the glove box, which has a sticker on it I want to preserve. And I'm going to remove the foamy cushion here. It's got foam in it, and I intend to put this in the dishwasher to clean it. So I'm going to take that off. There's those 4 screws, these 2 hinges. Oh, there is one more thing. This piece of rubber here feels like it's pretty good and that I can just peel it off. It's not brittle. Okay, and then the rest of this, which is really dirty, I'm going to put in the dishwasher. Those were not very tight at all. See how that's all foamy? I'd like to not get that wet, so there we go. While I'm at it, these can be renewed. Couple of speed nuts. 2 of them are smaller than the others, and these came off of the passenger side dashboard components.
I have a couple of hinges, a couple of screws, a couple nuts, a little rubber stopper, a plastic hinge piece.
There's also this felt piece that came off of the shelf. It's in good shape. Don't think I need to mess with it. Let's get some BlackWoW on the dashboard pieces. What I have here is the passenger side where the glove box is. So this is fresh out of the dishwasher. I like to use that to clean my plastic pieces. Sometimes it gets a little carried away, like this is grayed now. That may have been not a good thing. We'll find out in just a minute. Yeah, BlackWoW really rejuvenates the black, makes it shine. This will soak in over a week or 2. I'm going to do the finish today, and I won't install it in the car till probably 2 weeks. Surface I'm doing here now, a piece of felt goes in here. Matter of fact, maybe I shouldn't have just done that because I want to put adhesive on the felt and now it's not going to stick. I can undo that, and I shall. Now the parts that won't be seen don't really need to hit with BlackWoW, but this will actually moisten it to a small degree, keep it from getting brittle. So I'm just going to hit it. I have plenty. 1 coat. This is the glove box door and the trim surround that goes at the bottom of the piece we just did. Take a look at this vehicle capacity weight sticker. 680 pounds it says. I've got family members that couldn't all ride in the car with me at the same time. You know, 4 200-pound people is 800 pounds. 680 pound capacity. But I can happily say that after COVID, everybody realized that health and wellness was pretty much vital to surviving that type of a thing. They can now all ride with me at the same time in the car. Let's put the glove box back together. So I've got 1, 2, 3 studs. Go in those holes there. Giving the little plastic hinges a spot of lubrication. Put the glove box lid back on. So this little lever goes in that hole, and the 2 plastic hinges go in here, one on each side, and they screw in here. Now it's a tight fit, so I'm going to pre-assemble one of these little hinges. And the other one is a tight enough fit that I can't really put this on until after this arm is in. So let's get that on. And then I can reposition and put this other hinge on. Good. Got this little piece of carpet that was in here, and I think what I'm going to do to secure that is use that tack-it stuff that I used on the headliner just to keep it in place while I got seals in place. What I have here is tack-it over and over. This is a little tacky glue thing that is not a forever glue, but it'll hold things in place for as long as you need them under gentle circumstances, and that'll be just fine for this piece of carpet. It's not carpet, it's like felt. Yeah, that's good enough. Should have spelled out Mazda, but too late. I didn't think of that. Now, to gently place that. I know the camera can't see that, but I need to see that. Just tack it in place. I don't need it to be a forever thing. I could have used far less. That would have been better. This rubber stopper fits the rear of the swing lever. I'm going to put that on now. put the glove box back in, and there's pretty much 4 screws that are going to accomplish this. This little guy's going to go here. These 2 guys are going to go here and here. And then this guy over here, he goes right here. This one's smaller. And they all have a black washer. Let's put it in. So this cable that goes way up here is going to be in this open space here. Not sure why they allowed that to be going on. And this tucks into the hood. Center console hood. Now, I want to make sure my vent is going to be properly connected here. There we go. Sure, it's not visible on the film, but I can feel the rubber from the vent mating up with the vent. There is a little shelf that goes down here, like a little map pocket or something. And I'm going to leave that until I have insulation and carpet. It would just be easier without that hanging right here. Really easy to cross thread this. The difficult part is to get it on straight. Alright. I'd like that to be a little tighter. There we go. There we go. That's better. Now I need the little vent widgets. Those aren't ready for the car yet. Better get that going. Applying the hook on the bench worked great, but now that it's in the car, there's a little different geometry. Let's do some adjusting. It's a little finicky. So if I tighten all these, it doesn't want to close. Gotta hit it pretty hard. Okay, we'll take it.
I'm an individual.